Ooh, you got plastic bags. There you go. Woohoo! What's that? From Mimi and Papa. See, there's another one. Can you take more out? Still got your tail on. Ooh, is it a bouncy ball?
Yeah.
Does it bounce?
Yeah.
Let's see. Drop it on the floor. Drop it. Woohoo! Cool. All right. Want to see what else is in the box?